Hi, my name is John. I'm the founder of 3DOS, and we've built the world's largest decentralized manufacturing platform, starting with 3D printing. With over 500,000 users and 80,000 printers, anyone can upload a design and have it made instantly worldwide. We actually didn't know what Depin was until Mahesh invited us to talk at Stanford about a year ago. We had been studying helium, we had been studying HiveMapper, and we knew that decentralized infrastructures were the future. Please come join us for the Depin Summit on Saturday, and we look forward to showing you what we've accomplished. And thank you for your support.